Factor the polynomial completely. If the polynomial cannot be factored, say it is prime. So we wish to factor x to the fourth minus 256. When you're factoring, the first thing that you want to do is determine the number of terms that are to be factored. Here we have the difference of two terms. When you have the difference of two terms, you wish to ask yourself whether or not this might be the difference of two squares. X to the fourth is a perfect square because it can be written as x squared all squared. 256 is a perfect square because it can be written as 16 squared. So we can see that our polynomial is of the form a squared minus b squared. We know that that will factor as a minus b times a plus b. So x squared all squared minus 16 squared is going to factor as a minus b times a plus b. Before you say that you're finished, you want to ask yourself whether or not any of the factors that remain may be factorable. If we look at the first factor, we can see that it is once again the difference of two squares, because x squared is a perfect square and 16 is 4 squared. Therefore, x squared minus 16 can be factored as x minus 4 times x plus 4. And then we have the remaining factor, x squared plus 16. Remember, the sum of two squares does not factor over the real numbers and therefore is prime. So x to the fourth minus 256 factors completely as x minus 4 times x plus 4 times x squared plus 16.